Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change ticket information on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type omio.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Omio. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change ticket information on Omio. Now let's find out if it's possible to get that done. Number one, can I change my seat reservation? Now, when you complete a booking for multiple passengers, Omio automatically assigns seats as close together as possible. Now, if you and your travel companions are separated or were not seated accordingly to your booking preferences, it is most likely due to limited seating availability. And if you did not receive your preferred seats, don't worry. In our experience, the majority of passengers are happy to switch seats if you ask politely. Now, some travel companies allow seating reservations to be changed. Please contact Omio customer service team to check if it's possible with the travel company you'll be traveling with. Now, can you change the name, password, or ID number on your ticket? Now, your tickets are created automatically using the information entered during the booking process. So, unfortunately, it is not possible to change this information once a booking has been completed. Generally, if a mistake is minor, such as a mix-up of your first and last names or a typographical error, this shouldn't cause you any problems. Now, travel company staff are aware that mistakes can happen when booking seats online. Now, please be aware, however, that as a search and booking platform, Omio cannot guarantee that tickets with incorrect details will be valid. Now, if you have any concerns regarding passenger details, Omio recommends checking with the travel company directly to check if a ticket will be accepted. The name of the travel company is printed on your ticket. Now, can you change the departure date or time? If you booked modifiable tickets via Omio and received a confirmation email from them, their customer service team are happy to help. So go ahead and get in touch with the customer service team to let them know that you want to change the departure date or time. Now, here's how you can contact the customer service team from the Omio account itself. So go ahead and click on, okay. So scroll down and head over to Need Help. Now go ahead and click on Help Center. Now, if you need help with your booking, you can quickly access it and manage it by clicking on the I have a booking. So if you have a booking, go ahead and click on I have a booking. If you don't have a booking, go ahead and click on I do not have a booking. Now, once you click on any of this, it's just going to take you right into the help desk. Just let them know that you want to make some changes, and if they are adjustable, Omio will definitely help you with that. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.